What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mikey Yourself, and this week's video is simply just a message. Today is December 31st. We're closing out the year. 2023 is in the books, and now we're opening up that new chapter of 2024 for all of us. I look forward to new opportunities, some really cool projects that are going to be going on for me in 2024, and I hope equally that your 2024 looks exciting and things are going to be great for you all. I do want to take a quick second to just say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to the channel, and for those of you who watch it. I hope you get great value from the videos I provide. Things as simple as common problems that you might be running into, that I can show you that it's not that hard to do yourself, and other videos where it's not necessarily 100% a product review, but me finding products that you probably looked at Amazon or looked at eBay and you wonder, is it any good? I'm kind of taking that leap for you, trying them out, seeing if they work, and if they do, great. As you know, I build on a budget, so I'm always trying to find those opportunities to get great products at that budget price. And sometimes it doesn't work out, and I want to share that with you so that way you know what you're getting yourself into if you decide to follow the path that I took. So at the end of the day, again, I just wanted to say thank you. I hope that I can bring you many more videos in 2024, and we continue this journey together, not only in motorcycles, if I can find some car stuff, and then just some stuff around the house, things that, again, you look at and you think, maybe that's a mountain too big for me to climb, and I want to show you that it's not necessarily true, and with a couple of easy steps, you might be able to take care of those things yourself and save yourself a whole bunch of money in that process while learning a lot. So I hope you have a great 2024, and until my next video comes out, I hope to see you in the win.